Hi everyone, welcome back to Filled with Flame. I'm Chef Tony. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these crispy venison tacos. Now this recipe is not really hard at all. It's just a little time consuming, but we're going to use the crock pot. We're going to use those venison roasts that we have loaded in the fridge when we're tired of eating venison roast and noodles. It's quick, it's easy, super full of flavor. Let's get started. We're going to start by seasoning our roast on all sides with salt and pepper. Do not be afraid to season. This is a big cut of meat and it can take the salt and pepper. We're going to heat up a few tablespoons of olive oil in a nice heavy bottom pan. We're going to go in and sear this roast on all sides. After a couple seconds, beautiful sear. Now on the other side. Don't forget the edges also. We're going to place our roast in our crock pot and get started on our sauce. We're going to start by going in with our beef stock and our Adobo chilies, lime juice, apple cider vinegar, and all of our seasonings other than the bay leaves. And we're going to blend this up. We're going to take our sauce, go right into our crock pot on top of our meat, set this on high, and we're going to cook this for 6 to 8 hours until that roast falls apart. Don't forget your bay leaves. Let's give a look. Oh, that looks and smells great. Give it the fork test. Oh, that's just falling apart. All right, let's start making some tacos. Take our tortillas, go right inside that delicious juice. Now into a hot cast iron or pan. Top with a little bit of cheese of your choice. Going Monterey Jack here. You can also use pepper jack if you want. The cheese is slightly starting to melt. Go in with some of our shredded venison. Flip this over. Just crisp up this outside. Give it a flip, do the other side. Let that cook for about another 30 seconds. Then we're going to dress these up with some diced onions or salsa, any way that you want, and then we'll get a taste. You can dress these tacos any way that you want. I like a little bit of raw onion. You can go avocado, some salsa, dip them into that sauce, get a bite. Oh man, so good. This sauce is kind of beefy. It's rich, it's got a little bit of spice to it. Nice and crispy. The venison is falling apart. It's cheesy. It's a great way to use those leftover venison roasts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Please subscribe. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and our website, shop TaggedOut.com, for more recipes and tagged out gear. We'll see you in the next one.